My name is Barbara D. I'm here at Guarantee RV, and we are going to look at our stock number PT3594. This is a 216 Laredo that's made by Keystone. Really a super nice rig. There is a cover that goes over the front of this, but it's nice. I took this off because I wanted you to see that we don't have exposed tanks here, and they are oversized with an automatic switchover. So it's got a nice little cap. You got a 3,000-pound tongue jack here. This will lower and raise the trailer off of the ball of your rig. Just a beauty. This is a bunkhouse unit. It's right about 30 feet, probably a little bit longer than that when you include the tongue. But let's go inside and take a look. I think you'll like it. So what we have here is a lovely unit for a family that wants to sleep anywhere from 6 to 8, maybe 10 people. But as you look around in here, I'm just going to step back so the cameraman can show you all the nice benefits. You've got a lovely couch here. This couch folds down into a bed. You pull these off, and it tri-folds out. Makes for a very comfortable two-person place to sleep, and for someone that could be, maybe 6 foot even. This will also make down into a bed. You've got these really nice oversized bunk beds. So these have 300 pounds of capacity. You have a light in there. Each one of them have their own windows. This is just a nice setup for young kids and for kids that are going to get a little older. You know, they always grow, they never shrink. So, and a good place to store their goods. So if they've got backpacks and shoes and things like that, there's a place to get them off the floor. It's got a nice bathroom back here. And one of the things I like about that bathroom is the fact that you do have a porcelain toilet, so it's going to stand up. And if the kids are outside playing or you're outside playing, you can come right straight into that bathroom and get rid of your dirty shoes and maybe hop in the shower if you want to, if it's been cold outside. Really makes it nice. So we've got skylights in the bathroom. You've got a great big storage area here. This is a closet for the bunkhouse. Here you've got a nice pantry area. Everything seems to be just very convenient. Beautiful air conditioning system. So this is what's called Ducted Air. So the unit is right here, but as you look up here on the ceiling, you're going to see that this is ducted in just like it's going to be at your home. You can stand back here and do a little bit of entertaining or cooking, and you can still visit with everybody that's in the room. Lots and lots of room in here, and it's only it's a 29-foot trailer, which is not the longest one we've got. They get pretty big, so this is something that you could get in easily to a federal park, a state park, a county park, and have lots and lots of elbow room. Let me point out some of the components. We have a nice Dometic refrigerator here. This is an add-on, so that's called a faced refrigerator. But if you take a peek in here, there's plenty of room for everything that you're going to need. A nice big freezer, a place for your, for juices and things of that sort, a crisper on the bottom. You've got a nice deep oven here so you can make some biscuits and gravy. That's one of my favorites when I'm out there kicking around. 3-burner range top. Got some storage above here, so if you wanted to bring a cookie sheet or a few things like that, maybe make some muffins. Nice deck of drawers. There's also storage under here, so you've got a place for a wastebasket or for a bag of potatoes or a few other things like that you might bring along with you. You know, a lot of times when I look in RV cabinets, I don't always find the luxury of finding a shelf. So with Keystone, they have really thought about the end user in mind. And they put together a really nice floor plan. So for mom and dad, you've got a private bedroom. So you can come back here. You've got a nice long bed. I'm not very tall, but as you can see, this bed is going to be suitable for someone that's well over 6 foot tall. Lots of headroom here. You've got an outlet here and lights. Just like I said, it's a super nice setup. Good wardrobe closets on each side, so there's a shelf up here. There's a nice place to hang a few things. And that cover that I was talking about is right there, the one that goes over the tanks. So a lot of times when I've been in this industry for a long time, and I've owned travel trailers, short travel trailers, long travel trailers, fifth wheels, motorhomes, Class A, Class C. And it's very nice when you have something that's set up residential. So when you bring your clothes out of the closet and you want to put them in this closet, it's going to have a rod. When you want to bring some extra paper towels or toilet paper or just bath towels or beach towels, it's nice to have enough room to put those away and find a place for them so you're not tripping over them. And this unit offers just that. It also has an outside kitchen, so that being said, we got some storage under here. And look at that, it pops right open for you. It's nice and clean. What you find here is you're seeing that this is plywood, it's not OSB. And that build factor is important to you as an end user. Oh, and I mean, these are strong. So let's go outside, we'll take a look at the outside of it and see what you think. So we were talking about the conveniences of this rig. I know that when we're out camping that we like to kick the awning out, maybe sit out there and have a cup of coffee, a soda, cook a meal. And with this rig, you're going to be provided an outside kitchen. So this just pops up like this. Provides you a small refrigerator. This pulls out like this, so you've got a range top, you've got a sink, and it also comes with an outside grill. So the grill will operate on the propane that you have on board. And the way that works is this thing swings around to the outside. And then there's a grill that I'm going to show you in just a minute that slides onto this, and so you don't have to haul your own Coleman or whatever your brand is with you. Got some storage back here. More storage. Now this is going to go all the way through, so even if you guys were going to take this up to the ski hill, there'd be a place to stash those skis. Spare tire, slam latch hitches. We've got an aluminum frame here, so it's ultra lightweight for the length. And it will stand up for years and years and years. One thing about having an aluminum frame trailer with the fiberglass siding is that you don't have it absorb any water. So things really stay intact and in their plumb. You're not having things do this and that. Here's the door to the bathroom. It is locked, but it gives you that outside entrance to this rig without having to go all the way through it. And the ladies should be happy about that. So this is a 2016 Keystone Laredo. You've got an outside shower here. You've got a really beautiful rig. Goes well with everything. Come on out. I can't do this trailer justice by showing it to you on a video. I can spark your interest, but it's really in the feel. Come on out to Guarantee. We're located on Highway 99, just north of Eugene. My name is Barbara Balcom. I'm here with Guarantee RV. Come on out and see me. Take a look at this.